Next week is Small Business Week in the UK, and we want to do everything we can at Pillow to help our hosts. We're using this as a great opportunity to get people to rally around small businesses. So we've got lots of market materials, but your property manager has these as well electronically. And what we want to do is craft some special offers for your property to try and generate some bookings and a buzz and get some hopefully direct bookings, but some income and some calendars filled for those off-peak periods. So I'm generalising across our portfolio, but for Small Business Week, we want to capitalise that on our marketing, as does your property manager. So what could you do with your property manager that would be a nice, attractive, special offer there, guys? Now, if we're looking at something for price, let's look at a special offer around a staycation package, a holiday in your place. That could be 3, 4, 5 or 7 nights with a fixed price, but you could also do other things and add things in. But what is a good special offer? A bad special offer is 5 or 10% off, even 15, 20%. Would that catch your eye? It's essentially invisible. So, and we've done these before, and we know by putting the stuff in the staycation pages every week, every day we do this across the portfolio, 5, 10% is invisible, and it's kind of pointless doing. But I'm always reluctant to say lower price because that's the easy one, the lazy one. But could we craft times in your property, 3, 4, 5, 7 nights with special things? Could we add other things in, maybe things in the local community, a special welcome basket, a romance package? What's specific to your area? So work with your property manager and come up with this. During Small Business Week, it would be nice to have a couple of special offers a day that we can focus on. If you want to be involved with this, reach out to your property manager, and maybe you've given them free rein to do this themselves. But we want to thank you as well. So if you guys have any businesses that you have yourselves, above and beyond the short-term rental business, but we want to promote your business too. So do you have friends, family, colleagues? Can we promote those guys as business people on our socials? Give them a shout out, try and get them some sales as well. So number one, your property manager, craft some special offers with them. If you don't think it's suitable or you don't want to do it, totally fine. But hey, do you have a business? Can we promote you? Can we help you? Can we do that for a community or a family member or someone in your area that is a great small business? So we want to help you, but again, get into the spirit of Small Business Week as well. As I said, this is the 1st to 7th of June, but that's only the marketing side. You can have property deals for later in the year. That's really what we want. We don't want to fill the summer because they should be fine. We want to do it off peak. So can we help generate some sales to small business? Something I'm passionate about anyway, rather than giving it to the big chains. Keep the money local, help small entrepreneurs and business people. So jump in with your property manager, give us a shout if there's anybody you would like us to promote, preferably your business or your family business, and that's given back to you guys, and let's make the best of Small Business Week.